Hello class, so today we'll be going over the basics of graphing, and this here is called the x-axis and here is y-axis. So vertical y, horizontal x. So as you can see, I have mine set for 0 to 16 for the x and 0 to 8. So we are going to try to graph points, which when combined with an x and y is called a coordinate. So a coordinate is x here and y here. So say we want to graph 2 and 0. As you can see, it will show up on the 2 here for x, and for y, since 0 is here, it goes nowhere. Say we want to go 8 to 10. So for x, you go all the way to the 8 and all the way up for the 10, because it's always going to be in pairs. Now let's say you put 1.5. This just means that 1.5 is just in between, so it'll be right here. So 1.55. It's still going to go x to the 1.5 and all the way up to where 5 is for the y. And then those 3 points are what we put down, and then here are their coordinates. So for your homework, I want you to graph each of these coordinates in these colors so that I may see that you understand the placement of those points. And that'll be all. Good luck, you guys.